Expressions used in the restaurant. Expressions used in the restaurant. Waiter. Waiter. Customer. Customer. Hi, can I take your order? Hi, can I take your order? Yes, I'd like fish and chips. Yes, I'd like fish and chips. Would you like to order? Would you like to order? Yes, I'd like to order a latte. Yes, I'd like to order a latte. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Yes, I want a hamburger, please. Yes, I want a hamburger, please. Have you chosen yet? Have you chosen yet? Please bring me fried chicken. Please bring me fried chicken. Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? Yes, please. I'd like a cup of coffee. Yes, please. I'd like a cup of coffee. Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? I'd like to pay with credit card. I'd like to pay with credit card. والآن فلنعد العبارات من جديد. Would you like to order? Would you like to order? Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Have you chosen yet? Have you chosen yet? Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? Yes, I'd like to order a latte. Yes, I'd like to order a latte. Yes, I want a hamburger, please. Yes, I want a hamburger, please. Please bring me fried chicken. Please bring me fried chicken. Yes, please, I'd like a cup of coffee. Yes, please, I'd like a cup of coffee. Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? I'd like to pay with credit card.